Hi guys, mag-unboxing tayo galing sa Coca-Cola. So, open natin siya guys. Wait lang. Coca-Cola. Ang hirap talaga guys kapag walang taga-video. Ayan. Open natin. Open. And may free tayong Coca-Cola na t-shirt. Ayan, free Coca-Cola t-shirt. It's a large. Large yan guys. Yan naman, pahirapan na naman tayo magbukas. Ayan, wait. So yan, nabuksan ko na ba? Ang hirap guys. And free Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Ayan, Coca-Cola. And then, meron akong pangalan dito. Jackie! It's my name. It's Jackie. Mali yung spelling nila ng Jackie. So anyway, yan. This is my birthday. 1986. And Jackie. Getting you. And then I have a Coke here. Free. I have 12 dozen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 lang pala yan. 11. Kasi wala na nainom. Yan. So, yan guys. And then, free bag. Yan. Free bag. Then, look at. Short wait. Thank you, Coca-Cola. Thank you so much, Coca-Cola. Thank you, Coca-Cola. Thanks to my sponsor. Charot lang. And Jackie 86. Yeah. It's good. I'm so happy. I'm very happy, guys. Happy. La, la, la. Parang pangtulog ko na siya. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Yeah. Ito. Thanks, Coca-Cola. Thank you so much, Coca-Cola.